Can we make ice cream?
Yes!
Can we shake it up?
Yes! Ice cream, cold and sweet.
Grandpa's recipe can't be beat.
Get your hands up.
Let's begin.
Everybody!
Jump on it. Let's start with the milk. Pour it in. Grab a spoon.
Stir and spin.
Add some sugar, white or brown. Mix it well around and around.
Now the cream.
Smooth and white.
Vanilla drops.
Tastes so right.
Stir it up slow and
Stir it up fast. That's how we made it in the past. Let's get ready. First you need a bag with ice. A bag for the cream, now zip it nice. Put one in the other, now you're set. You will make the best ice cream yet.
you got to shake it to the left.
You got to shake it to the right.
You got to shake it up and down.
With all your might.
Bounce around with your hands in the air.
Do the ice cream shake.
Like you just don't care.
Now you can dance however you please.
Keep shaking long enough.
Now everybody do the ice cream.
Freeze!
Freeze! Scoop it up.
1, 2, 3.
Add your toppings.
Make it free.
Sprinkle strawberries, chocolate too.
Your ice cream your way.
Just for you.
We made it together.
The old time way.
Grandpa and kids.
On a summer day. Can we make it again?
Yes! Did we have fun? Yes!
Thank you, Grandpa. You're the best.
For Story Tunes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.